Hey guys, today I'm out here running the Kraton on a custom 1/7 scale chassis, and I'm running that on 8S with a TP motor and Mamba Monster X8S, and it's been a long journey to get this car up and running. Like this chassis was custom milled from 7075 aluminum, and that was done by WERKSTATT. Thank you, Mustafa. And then what we did is we tried to use actually most of the Kraton parts. We have the Kraton front, Kraton back. I've got Auser Racing shock towers, and what we have is these Mojave sides and two battery trays. I think those are from the either the Limitless or the 7 scale Mojave. So it's an extended XL Kraton running on 8S. We've got some big Louise ST Pioneer, and let's see what this thing can do. Yeah, it's running good now. I mean, I've had to do so many updates on that one, like replacing the complete diffs, the gears. I had to replace them for hardened gears because he wouldn't hold up on the 8S. But now this is like, after 2 years of tuning, it's kind of holding up nice. Something sounds off. Let's see. I mean, to be honest, that is the longest I've run this car for. After all these issues, like I was having motor mount issues, so I had to swap this to the upgraded Armor V4 motor mount. Like I was having issues with the front gearbox. I swapped that to the aluminum gearbox I ordered on AliExpress. What else is going on here? Initially the standard 6F S gears, they weren't really holding up even though we shimped them properly. How is that sounding? I think that's just the pinion. Yeah, the motor mount, the pinion must have moved a little bit, but I'm still gonna run this now. Kind of lost control there, but still landed it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay, what was that? Okay, so can you see it? It's completely ripped out the motor. So I think we're pretty much done today. Oh, what? It's actually ripped out the motor screw, if you can see that. So that was a hard landing. I think we're done today. I need some real hardened screws for that TP motor. Oh, it's actually pulled in the whole pinion into the motor mount. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm starting to think that TP motor is just too strong for this setup. Like running the TP motor on 8S. But the idea behind that build was, like the whole idea was to have an 8S Kraton, but not have the weight of the 8S Kraton. So it's like 7th scale Kraton, little bit heavier than the 6S, but just with much more power. So that was the whole idea behind it. The journey continues. I'm gonna try to fix it and I'll be back. All right, guys, bye bye.
3 hours later.
머리 크기만